poppin'.
What's good, Glizzy gang? It's your boy Jay Glizzy, and today I'm back with another. Hold up, bro. Where the music at, bro? Drop the music. Banger! Yes, sir. Today I'm here with a banger for y'all. You feel me? This is a different type of video. Y'all haven't seen nothing like this on my channel before, but today I'm bringing it to y'all because you feel me? I change things up. I do my own thing, and you feel me? I'm just, I gotta be a little creative because it's Corona's time. And you feel me? You feel me? But you came here seeing the title of the video and you want to learn how to distress your jeans just like Fear of God or any other designer brand jeans. You clicked the right video, but before we start, you feel me? I just came from somewhere, so don't drone me like Alright, so I decided to make this video because I know people don't want to spend their money on some jeans that they know they could probably create themselves, but they be so fire and so simplistic. Some jeans be simple and a lot of people be wanting them, but they go for a lot of money, you feel me? Like 80 just for some simple jeans you could really make on your own. So you feel me? I decided to make this video for y'all so y'all can learn how to do this. So y'all don't go spend $80 on some jeans, you feel me? You could make it at home. You could go get you any pair of jeans that you won't distress. If y'all also want to learn how to taper jeans and make them skinnier if they big or you feel like they too baggy on you, I could teach y'all how to taper them. So y'all gotta ask below in the comments if y'all want that. But look, without all this talking, I'm gonna get straight into it. Okay, so I'm gonna get into the requirements for, you feel me, all the things you need to get started with distressing y'all own jeans. So look, first thing you gonna need is some seam rippers. Really, this is like my little kit. I ordered a bunch of seam rippers. It came in a combo. Razor. I didn't order that razor. I just got it though in there. I got this right here. It's kind of like a seam cutter, I guess. I don't really know, but I got it. It came with the combo, so y'all gonna know why I got this. Y'all probably like, why does nigga got a razor in his, like, what? But y'all gonna need this too. All of this is required, but it's like, there's different alternatives. Seam rippers, these are basically to give it a more rough, distressed look. There are alternatives to the seam rippers as well. I have a whole bunch because they are different sizes. One alternative to the seam rippers is the tweezers, actually. So if you don't have seam rippers, which I'm guessing most of y'all don't, y'all can go order y'all somewhere. Y'all go to Walmart, you feel me? Y'all go to Walgreens, anywhere, you feel me, that sell different like fabric stuff, local stores. But you get a seam ripper. If you don't have that and you can't get it, you can use a tweezer, you feel me? And you want to get what I got. If you can't, then get the alternatives that I list. Next, you're gonna need some cardboard, you feel me? You're gonna have to place this under your pants leg while you're cutting, because you don't want to mess up the back of your jeans. Then you're gonna need some scissors, you feel me? You're gonna need some scissors because we're gonna have to cut. That's kind of what the other thing was, and here what I showed you. It's kind of like scissors, but you feel me? If y'all don't got that either, get you some scissors, you feel me? I'm just gonna use these though. So I got some scissors, some old scissors. It don't even matter what type of scissors. There ain't gotta be fabric scissors, none of that. And then you're gonna need some Sharpies, you feel me? I got all types of different color Sharpies in here. I ordered this because I couldn't go to Walmart at the time, so I just ordered it with Amazon Prime. You feel me? Came the next 2 days, and then, you feel me? Sharpies, pens, highlighters, markers, anything really. Chalk also works if you're using like black jeans. Yeah, so have different color Sharpies, or like get a decent pen that you can see on the jeans, because you're gonna have to mark where we want the holes, you feel me? So make sure you know what you're doing there. The last thing we're gonna need is the jeans you're gonna be using, you feel me? I got some white jeans. The reason I'm using this is because I kind of got like, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it, but kind of got some stains on here. Like, I don't even know where they came from, but they white jeans, you already know stuff come out of nowhere for white jeans. I haven't wore these in a while. I thought these would be a perfect pair of jeans to distress, since I don't really wear them as much anymore. This y'all first time doing this, make sure that you get some jeans that you really like, really don't think you're gonna wear, or you feel me, like some jeans you don't really care about. So if it ends up bad, you ain't gotta wear them, you feel me? You could just throw them away. If it turns out fire, then you could use them, you feel me? But yeah, so I grabbed these. So that's really all you're gonna need. And actually, one more thing. Look. Make sure you get some water, bro. You gotta stay hydrated, you feel me? Stay hydrated. You gotta keep you some water, bro. You feel me? We gonna be working hard over here trying to distress some jeans, so make sure you get you a sip, a drink, you feel me? Anything, but I'm using water, H2O, you feel me? Stay healthy. I'm done with all this talking. I'm gonna get straight into it for y'all. Y'all can just watch me. I'm gonna do a voiceover. Yeah, I'm finna get straight into it, so let's get straight into distressing these jeans. Let's get it. So actually, I just figured out that I forgot a step. What you want to do first is to mark your jeans, you feel me? If you got them flat out like this, and you really don't know where your knee is, or you feel me, you just want to have a perfect spot to where your knee is, you could just put them on and then mark where your knee is, and then hit where your knee is. So yeah, that's basically, if you didn't know, that's the kind of look we're going for. We're going for the knee blowout look, the knee blowout distressing look. It's gonna be a little rough, but you feel me, that's how we like it. So yeah, so if y'all can't look at the pants and see where your knee gonna be, and you want to try them on and then you want to mark them, so I'm gonna try them on and mark them for y'all. Alright y'all, so I got them on, you feel me? This how they fit good, you feel me? Don't need to taper them because they already a little tight. So now I can see that my knees are right in here in this area, so I'm gonna go and get a marker, you feel me? It don't matter what color marker or any of that, because we just gonna go over it with a knife and all that, and we gonna distress it and stuff anyway. So but if you really care about that, then make sure you use, like, you feel me, a light color or whatever. So I know my knee is right here, so I'm gonna just draw a line. Just start by making a line right here. Just make a little line, you feel? I don't know if y'all can see that, look, little line. It don't matter how straight it is, none of that. Just make sure you got a little decent line where you can start the whole line. So now we got this, so we could take these off, you feel me, and we could start working on the actual process. Alright YouTube, it's your boy Jay Glizzy on the mic doing a voiceover, you feel me, once again. So look, all I'm doing is placing my jeans on my bed. You probably don't want to do it on your bed. It's whatever though, you do you, and I'ma do me. But you feel me, right now all I'm doing is getting my cardboard and I'm putting it under the line so I don't cut the back of the jeans like I said before in the video. Alright, now all you gotta do is take your scissors right here, and I couldn't use mine wasn't, you feel me, I'm gonna use the ones that came with the kit, but you want to take your scissors and cut that line open. So right here I cut it open, and I'm taking the cardboard out of that side and I'm putting it in the other side. You really want to do this one leg at a time, and yeah. Okay, so as you can see, I begin to do the same thing what I did on the other side to this side. It don't have to be perfect, so don't worry about the alignment and all that. Just make sure, you feel me, you gotta cut. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you that I'm using a seam ripper now. This is my smallest one, and all you gotta do if you got this seam ripper, you just want to poke and poke and poke. That's all you gotta do, is poke with the sharpest part, sharpest edge, and just keep poking at where you made the cut, on the edge of the cut, and soon you gonna start to see strings come out and thread come out of the cuts as you poking. So this process takes a long time, and you feel me, it's gonna take a while. So that's why this video is so long, because I had to speed this stuff up, but it's gonna take you a while because you're gonna have to get it how you want it, and especially if you want that rough stringy look, you're gonna have to, it's gonna take a little minute, but you feel me, it's all worth it in the end. Right now I'm switching to my next seam ripper. This is my largest one. Now I'm gonna be hitting it more, you feel me, aggressively, trying to get, you know, longer strings out, you feel me. I just attacked it with the smallest one first because that's kind of like my love method. But yeah, y'all do y'all way, and try to find a way, a method for y'all that's comfortable for y'all, you feel me. Now I'm grabbing my razor, and this is what I was talking about. This is gonna make the strings and thread even rougher than it already looks. So you want to hit it with that, and you want to just scratch it, you feel me. any direction. You also want to do the same thing with the seam ripper. Just poke it in any direction, you feel me? And yeah. Now this part is important, ladies and gentlemen. What you want to do is take your scissors and cut it down. You don't need to do this. Look, you don't need to do this. This is only if you want to look what I'm going for. This is what I was doing. I cut it down on each side of the cut, just about half an inch over, and cut it down a little bit, you feel me? I kind of went down a little bit too much. That's why you gonna see later on how the jeans look, but you feel me? I was going out for like a blowout. I wanted the jeans that right there where the hole was to hang a little bit, and it kind of hang too much. So if y'all don't want to do a big knee blowout, you feel me, you ain't got to. So right now I'm just drawing lines right above it, and I'm finna make another 2 cuts above the big knee blowout, just to make, you feel me, put a little uniqueness to the pair of jeans, what I'm doing, you feel me? But yeah, like I was talking about with the knee blowout thing, you don't have to do this, but if you choose to, you feel me, make sure you go down just a little bit and not as much as I did, because you feel me, it's gonna end up looking a little weird. But if it do turn out weird, all you gotta do is cut that flap off and then start hitting it with the seam ripper, just like, you feel me, just like earlier. And yeah. Alright, so right here I'm back out with the razor again, and I'm finna start attacking the strings and making it an even more rough look on the 2 lines, the 2 small holes above. And also I'm gonna start hitting the knee blowout a little bit more, you feel me, because I want it to look a little rougher. But you feel me, just go ahead and do y'all a small detailing just as I do, you feel me. Try to get it how y'all want it. It ain't gotta be like mine. Alright YouTube, so right here I'm flipping the pants to the other side, and I'm taking the cardboard out and putting it into the next pants leg, so we can start on the other pants leg and start distressing it. This side is going to be the exact same as the other side, except for the 2 holes above it. So instead of keeping this in the video, I'm gonna start cutting this out, and y'all ain't gotta see this, we just gonna get into the pants. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I finished the jeans, you feel me. I didn't do nothing but add a little distressing up there on it. But you feel me, this is kind of like the Fear of God look. It's gonna be like a knee blowout. This part gonna hang a little bit. I like that look. You don't have to do that, but that's how I like it. And then on this side, we have 2 like slits over here. You can't really see it. You're gonna see it when I put it on. You see the black stuff still on there. After you wash it, it should come off. You feel me? But yeah, or you could keep, if you still see that on there, you could keep hitting the threads, and then it'll eventually, you feel me, not be there anymore. But yeah, like the knee blowout on this side, and then a little bit of distressing right there, and that's really it. I'm gonna put them on right now. They don't look too appealing, you feel me, because they're not on, you feel me. A lot of jeans don't look good when they're not on, but I'm gonna show you guys in 1 second how they look when they're on. And 3, 2, 1.
And be making waves, boy. And be making waves, boy.
YouTube, you feel me? That's all I have for y'all today. I hope y'all took something from this video that could help y'all make y'all own jeans, you feel me? Or get at least the feel of it. The jeans, they turned out alright. They didn't turn out as good as I thought it was gonna turn out. That was my first time trying a hanging thing, and it kinda hang, but it don't at the same time. But you feel me? I fuck with it. I like it. But these definitely gonna get worn. But if I was to mess these up completely bad, you know, I wouldn't be wearing them. But yeah, man, that's all I really had in this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed this, like, for real. And you feel me? I just wanted to teach y'all so y'all can know as well. Like I said, I hope y'all picked up something from this video that could at least help y'all out with some of the things that other people told you. I know y'all probably looking, if you really search for this video, you probably looked at a whole bunch of other distressing jeans video. You may have picked up something that somebody else didn't say in the other one, so you feel me? Hopefully you did. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you show some love and leave a like down below. Also comment and tell me what y'all want to see within my channel. I just need y'all to comment down below what y'all want to see next from me. Also comment if y'all did have something from this video and y'all did learn something new. Lastly, I want y'all to subscribe if y'all new so you could be a part of the Glizzy gang, you feel me? So make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications, because every time I post, bro, it's gonna be a banger. It's gonna be heat. I don't drop no weak stuff. That's why it's kinda hard, you feel me, making videos, because I wanna make bangers for y'all, you feel me? I wanna make straight heat for y'all. This is the end of the video. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe. And Glizzy gang is out, you feel me? Comment what y'all want to see next. Let's go.
I'm Mr. Clean, so I'm like detached. I'll be in the same nigga, quit flirting. Pull up to the scene, then I get discouraged. Can't get where you wanna be if you ain't working. If you really want it, you must be determined. Can't wait for no nigga, I am at a service. These bullets the only thing that I'm serving. Ballin' on these niggas, carry urban. These niggas be goldfish like Doran. Hop on a hill, cat gets a purring. How to the E way, gets a swerving. Alright, I'ma fuck with you.